Right, so to make this Christmas tree, I have about 3.5 feet of brown cord, 4.5 feet of green, and beads. Now you can get beads on Amazon. And first of all, we're going to make the tree. So, with my tape measure, find the halfway point of your brown cord and measure out about 6 inches, like that. Okay. So I'm going to pinch where it was at 6 inches, and we're going to do a cobra weave. So the left hand cord goes over the top, the right hand cord goes over this brown, behind everything, and up through that hole. So you should get this going on. Pull it all together, and what you end up with is something like that. And then we're going to do some more cobra weaves. Right, so that is the trunk, and what we're going to do now is snip and singe these ends. So I'm going to get quite close to the cord, and I'm just going to cut it there. Do the same on the other side. So now the fun part. The halfway point of the green goes behind the brown, like that, and we do another cobra weave. Now if you want beads, this is the time to add 2, but with the cords, with the green cords, I've melted them down right to a point to make it easy to fit the beads on. So I'm just going to poke one bead on one side, another bead on the other side. Right, so I put my 2 beads on, and now we're going to do 2 cobra weaves, but we're going to do them really loosely. So left cord over the top, the other cord over the top, behind, out the other side. Then the cord comes back over the top like this, underneath, out the other side. So that's 2 cobra weaves I've just done. And this is where we do the branches. So basically, I'm putting my fingers here and I'm pulling out the bottom branches like that. And then these other 2 cords, with my fingers where they are, I'm just pulling these 2 bottom cords like that to make that cobra weave tight. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is just push that cobra weave up there. 2 more beads on, and we do exactly the same again. I'm going to do 3 more, and I'll show you what I do at the end. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And would you like me to do some more Christmas decorations? I've already made a candy cane up there, but yeah, if you'd like me to make some more, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to make. And for the very top, all I'm going to do is 2 cobra weaves, and they're going to be tight. And then I'm just going to snip and singe the ends. So that's a Paracord Christmas tree. Not bad for a first try. If you want to know how to make a Paracord candy cane, check out the video up there. And what other Christmas tree decoration should I make? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.